Anemone flowers are one of the most productive, sweet, earliest bloomer and long-lasting flower that we can grow in our garden. For quick tips and tricks on how to grow anemone flower, follow along with the video. But before that, please subscribe my channel if you still haven't, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. In warmer climates, plant anemone flower out in the fall, usually October and November. It can be successfully grown in pots and raised beds. Water them very heavily when first planted. Anemone grow from these little corms. Before planting these little corms in soil, please soak your corms for several hours in cold water. These corms looks like dead, but they are actually live and active. These little things looks like a corn, but they are actually a solid stem basis of a plant. I have planted several in other pots. Now I'm gonna plant these two in this little pot. I made 2 holes in this pot. Place these corms on the soil. Place it very gently. Don't press it very hard. Cover the corms with the soil. I use organic material to cover this pot. Cover it with very soft material as I used leaf compost. Water it again with very fine shower. After 28 days, you can see the root development of these little corns. And after 45 days, you can see the small plants has grown to be about 2 inches above the soil. Leaf on the stem is looking so beautiful actually. The foliage looks like a bit curly parsley. I hope this information gives you the confidence to add this gorgeous beauty to your garden next year. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.